Hi to everyone. Today we are going to discuss a topic called message ordering in distributed system. This message ordering is very important thing because we are using the group of communication. So in that group of communication, one person is communicate with the another person. So n number of person can communicate with n number of persons. So that should be a message ordering wants to be maintained. Because of that ordering, we can receive and send the messages without any inconvenience. The order of message receiving by the group of member can be a very important thing. Here we are using FIFO ordering. FIFO is nothing but first in first out ordering. If the source person sends the message to messages in the group, if the order wants to be maintained like this, M1 tends to M2. That means M1 wants to proceeding with the M2. That means M1 happened before the M2 messages receiving. Message ordering is happen in two ways. One is a consistent ordering, another one is a casual ordering. Consistent ordering, the relative order of the message receiving at the each member of process at the same time. That is the order constraint across the group. A casual ordering, assuming S1 first multicasting to M up to the reception of M, M3 is multicasting M dash. Then the M tends to M dash. The M dash is said to be a casual ordering. A total ordering. When a group of communication mechanism is satisfy both the casual ordering or consistent ordering, we say that the mechanism satisfy the total order. That is, the message of order of each member process the preserves the casual order and then the message of order in the same across the entire group. Implementation. Using of logical clock, global clock, the distributed system, timestamp is a very important thing. We have discussed enough about the timestamp in Lamford algorithm. That means the each and individual process is having the timestamp messages. The messages are ordered by the entire group. Use of centralized service, a multicasting system, messages sent to the server. The server assigns the sequence number to the messenger, then it sends to all the member in the group, then the message is delivered. I said earlier, every members in the group is having a sequence number. According to that sequence number, the event has to be scheduled. Implementation. System preservation casual order to the all said to be the visual synchronization system. And implementation often in the ordering casual system, each process keep the vector clock. Each vector clock is having a timestamp. Based on the timestamp and vector clock, the process is arranged. That means a Vj is equal to Li, Lj plus 1. That means Vi less than or equal to Li. Design issues to be considered. The first design issues is a client-server interfaces, that is a grouping of information then joining the group. Using of TCP or UDP, we can maintain either TCP or UDP. That means TCP is very efficient because there is a acknowledgement. So we have to maintain the TCP. Then functional specification, first one is a membership related services. We can create the group, we can join the group, we can leave the group, we can remove the group, only the authentication persons. Then multiple related services, send the message to the group, message ordering. Then misalignation as of service. A grouping of information is inaccurate architecture relationship between the client and services. Design issues to be considered as architecture relationship among the process and thread. Each client owns a process of client process may contain the several threads. A thread sending a group of related command, a thread sending a group of messages related command. The service own the process that contain the several threads. Each primitive consideration is following the threads and joining the group. A client service protocols. If many functions are the server side, how does the client call them? First thing is, we have to be name, we have to be ID, we have to the message send. We have to a particular name for that. Creating a group with a group name, then join the group with the group ID, then send the message to the particular group ID. Automatically the fault tolerance has to be followed, maintained. Will be considered in the semester B. However, we have to leave the same space for that particular group. Thank you.